Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a disability certificate in West Bengal. First, understand that a disability certificate is an official document declaring your disability status. This certificate is crucial for accessing various government benefits, including educational and employment reservations, financial support, and public transport concessions. To be eligible, your disability must be at least 40%, as defined by the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, 2016. Next, let's talk about the essential documents you'll need. You must gather your Aadhaar card, recent passport-sized photographs, and all relevant medical reports or diagnosis proof. Additionally, you'll need to provide proof of residence, which can be a voter ID, ration card, or other acceptable document. Don't forget to include your birth certificate or any other valid proof of age. Now, let's walk through the application process. Begin by visiting the official website of the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of West Bengal. There, you will fill out the online application form, providing your personal and disability-related details. Remember to upload scanned images of all your required documents. After submitting your online application, you will need to report to a designated medical authority or hospital for a medical examination. Finally, here's what to expect after your medical examination. A medical board of specialists will evaluate the nature and extent of your disability and issue a recommendation. If approved, your disability certificate is typically issued within 30 days from the date of application. You can then download the digital certificate from the portal or collect a physical document from the issuing authority. This certificate unlocks benefits like educational reservations, scholarships, and free travel facilities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.